Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have another adventure with the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Today Mickey and his friends are still at the farm. Well, now that you helped me rescue my animals, I thought we could have an animal show. I bet everybody can find a pet or an animal to share with the group. I'm going to show you my goat, and you can help yourself to every other animal we have here. Well, I know who I want to be my animal. Ruff, 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 ruff. That's right. Hi, Pluto. You can be my animal for the animal show. Wow, 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 wow. It looks like Donald wants the chicken to be his animal. Okay, we have the horse and the cow left. Oh no, there are 3 of us. I want the horse. You can have the horse, that's okay. Yeah, you can have the horse. Thanks, everybody. We only have a cow, Minnie. What are we gonna do? Maybe Toodles could help us out. Oh, Toodles! Look, Toodles has brought Figaro, Minnie Mouse's cat. Oh, yay! Thank you, Toodles. That means I get the cow. Moo cow. I love moo cows. Here comes the farmer with his goat. The farmer has a goat. The farmer has a goat. Hi-ho the dairy-o. The farmer has a goat. The farmer has a goat. The farmer has a goat. Hi-ho the dairy-o. The farmer has a goat. Wow, that was lots of fun. I can't wait to see the next animal. Here comes Donald with the chicken. Donald has a chicken. Donald has a chicken. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Donald has a chicken. Donald has a chicken. Donald has a chicken. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Donald has a chicken. Goofy has a horse. Goofy has a horse. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Goofy has a horse. Goofy has a horse. Goofy has a horse. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Goofy has a horse. Wow, that was a lot of fun, everybody. I can't wait to see the next animal. Mickey has Pluto. Mickey has Pluto. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Mickey has Pluto. Mickey has Pluto. Mickey has Pluto. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Mickey has Pluto. Wow, that was a lot of fun. Ha-ha. I can't wait to see the next animal. Daisy has a cow. Daisy has a cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Daisy has a cow. Daisy has a cow. Daisy has a cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Daisy has a cow. Woo! That was a lot of fun! Minnie has Figaro. Minnie has Figaro. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Minnie has Figaro. Minnie has Figaro. Minnie has Figaro. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Minnie has Figaro. Wow, this was so much fun. Everybody has something. Everybody has something. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Everybody has something. Everybody's having fun. Everybody's having fun. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Everybody's having fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.